Well, welcome back. We got the kids talking through the garage, but hey guys, I'm no longer in a fucking backyard. Alright, I got a garage. My girlfriend's dad's nice VTX. And here's the good old Jixer. So since I last checked in with you all, oh damn, that Texas accent is getting so strong. So I blew out my stator and my rectifier. You shush. So right now this has nothing to do with that at all. My chain is just rusted since it's been sitting. My tires. There's my back wheel. There's my two new tires. I don't even know if you guys can see right in here. But so right now, my only options came down to getting this chain off with a grinder because it's a continuous link.
A grinder? This is a grinder?
Oh yeah, so we decided, well, fuck that. Yeah, ooh. I need to start being more appropriate on my videos. But anyway, so we found, let's give this a try. It took a little bit of muscling, but
You got one link.
yeah, one link cut clean through. If you want to. Okay, so first you put it straight over their fingers and just to show you guys that if you don't have a grinder, I picked these up for like $18, and I have the the link tool from Cycle Gear, but I'd rather just use that to put the chain back on rather than break it and have to spend another $90.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
Make sure it's on there.
Here, just hold it, dangle it. There you go. Which one was it? That one right there? Alright, yeah, I like this a lot better than...
Up.
Up. Why don't we just cut through all of them?
No.
No, it's right there. This is the right one. Alright. Here, hold it out a little more. There we go. You can get around my freaking peg. Are you gonna like it? Yeah. There we go. See, it's kind of difficult to do, but it does work. And I even, before making a video on it, made sure I cut one side at least. I just am not really getting the right angle on it. Let's see if we can just cut it like this. So if you ever try doing this, make sure you wear safety glasses, unlike my stupid self. Cut partially through, and finish it off. And we remove the chain. So if maybe you can't afford that, or maybe you have a tool that will just, relink the chain. Well, as you can see, you get the point of this video. So, bolt cutters, they will cut a chain, at least for, I want to say a 600 and smaller.
Yeah, this Jixer's off the chain.
Oh my god, the dad jokes begin. Anyway, so if you have a smaller bike, maybe like a 500 cruiser or some shit, and I really gotta watch my language. I promise my next few videos will be better.
Okay.
And I will be starting to do my motovlogs here soon. Now that I have my bike will be running, I will have money for the GoPro setup and everything. I was thinking about getting the new Cena helmet cam too. That one was looking kind of nice.
I'll be joining.
And this guy right here, he will be getting a bike here soon. We'll do some videos as he's trying to figure it all out. So until then, I'm gonna go and get this stuff finished up because we just got the sprocket off. I didn't want to do a video on that. I gotta get this off, and we still gotta get that front tire off to bring these tires into Cycle Gear. So, peace.